beings came from the planet Sirius, and they came down and inhabited the Earth, and that's actually where we get the ancient mythical legend of mermaids. Numa was a fish that came to land, and that's the story of mermaids. And it's probably why I attracted a mermaid in my life. I have a beautiful mermaid in my life, and she reminds me of Numa. Her name's Ariel, and she's a real mermaid. You guys have seen Ariel. She's been a great help. She's actually out right now running some errands. And we love living out here at the farm. You can come by here any day. 10 to 2, we need some help. We need some harvesting help. We need some growers. We need more growers. We're expanding every day. Beautiful. Just getting this going. Oh wow, we're getting lots of oil. This is a seed cake. We're using this for fertilizer. This comes out of the machine, and this is the fertilizer that comes out of the machine. It's called cake. Is it different to run a Moringa business? Let's see. Someone asked here, is it difficult to run a Moringa business? Well, I think it's, if it gets cold in the winter, is it difficult to run a Moringa business if it gets cold in the winter? I think if it gets cold in the winter, you should focus on another crop. So you have a Moringa business, you're growing Moringa in the summer, and then you just gotta diversify. Someone's asking, if you're in the cold, how do you continue to grow your Moringa business? Well, you could prepare doing things like what I'm doing, where you're harvesting the seeds in the summer, and then you're just making oil in the winter. That's what we've been doing pretty much all winter. Is it difficult to run a Moringa business in the cold? I think it's difficult to run a business. Definitely difficult to run any business. And luckily, Moringa has everything. You know, it has all the vitamins and minerals, proteins. It's all the good stuff. So it kind of does the work for you, in that I don't really have to sell the Moringa. Someone can just type in Moringa and see all the benefits, right? I actually have the benefits right here. Tons of benefits. So you can grow it, like if you're in a colder place. Someone just called us in North Carolina or South Carolina, and he was like, did you hear my drawl, my Carolina drawl? I told him, to grow Moringa more so intensely in the summertime where he is, and then in the wintertime, focus on another crop. Bring another crop into your farm and do it, have your two crops. Have your winter crop and have your summer crop. Yes, it is very difficult to grow Moringa in any cold weather. They do not grow. They die in any kind of frost. They'll die in the frost. The trunk is very soft. It's a softwood. So since it's a softwood, it can explode. Do you pot up the trees in the winter?